What's up, everybody? It's Nick the Piker. I'm back for another episode. So last time I was here, it was the first cold day of the year. It was about a month ago, and I did pretty well. Now we're looking at winter. It's cold, 28 degrees today. Should be good. The weeds should be out of the channel, so we should have a channel packed full of bass. Also a special day for me. I finally hit 50 subscribers today, so I wanted to thank all of you for subscribing and sticking with me. Hopefully this continues and we can do something with this show. I hope so. If you haven't subscribed already, please like and subscribe, and let's get it. All right, folks, here we are back at my warm water spot. It's cold, but cold is good. Looks like the weeds have died down a little. Still a little bit here, but it's all right. Hopefully, I have something to show you guys today. I'm back with my pre-rigged worm lure. Got a new color, all black with a green neon tip, and I think that's gonna work for me. Let's see what happens. Cast number one, here we go. The colder the better. The only thing we're missing today is snow. If it started snowing, I'd be even happier. The colder and nastier it is, the less people. The less people, the more opportunities I have to catch fish. I have a hunch that today's going to be a good day, folks. We will catch fish for you today. It will happen. I don't know about on this color lure, but we'll find out. Never used it here before, so anything can happen, really. See what happens. I don't see anything really yet, but I see bluegills hiding in these little weeds here, so should be fish. Should be able to catch something today. Try this lure out for a bit. If my fish senses say not so good, then I'll change to a different color combo. Just restocked and got some different stuff, so we're gonna go through the whirlwind, see if we come out the other side successful. I should. I feel good about it. Got my new color on. This type of color typically works for me. This has got a little more blue in it, but I also took a Sharpie and darked it out a little bit. I think this may be the trick right here. I feel good about it. I think this is gonna catch us some bass, folks. I may have to move spots, but I think this may do the trick. Water is just really low right now, so chances are they're all packed right in front of the tunnel there. But we'll find out. They're gonna like this. I have a feeling. I feel good about it. Just gotta be patient. I'm keeping this lure on for a while. And if it doesn't work, I'll switch back to that other one I had. I blacked out the green on it with a Sharpie, because I know black is always to attack. But just the fact that I got all the bluegill following this lure right now tells me we're gonna have success. I feel it. Just can't lose it. It's the only one I have. Don't want to lose this lure. I gotta cast with care. Yeah, the eyelets are freezing up quick today. I think it's funny, the last time I was here it wasn't as cold out, but it felt way colder than it does right now. It's about 28 degrees today. I don't know, probably because I have adjusted, my body has adjusted to the cold weather. That first cold day of the year, it's rough. Windy out today too. So, once again, my sound probably ain't the greatest. I apologize. Oh shit. Oh. God bless. That's a nice rank, alright. They keep you on your toes, on your ass. Alright, that was lucky I didn't break an arm. Owie. I see fish over here, so this is going to be the strap for me. We'll catch a fish here. At this point, a dink would be a success. Come on. Alright. See what I can do now that it's just me, the geese, and the channel. What are you guys doing? Alright, I see a little tiny bass right in front of me. It's a good sign. First I'm going to try casting from this angle, and then I'm going to go up top, cast downstream, and slow roll it. Alright. I'm going to catch a fish. I feel it. Alright. This is going to be my best opportunity right now. It's just me by myself. I may end up switching back to that black one that I have. After a couple minutes here, I'm going to give this one a shot. Give this lure a good try before I switch back. But I'm committed to sticking it out right at the entrance of the tunnel from here on. I feel like that's my best chance of catching something. Let my bait go all the way to the bottom. Sometimes less is more, especially on a day like today. Let it sit on the bottom for a minute. Oh, I just had a tap. I don't know what it was. Chances are it's a bluegill, but that's still a good sign. It tells me that the fish are looking at it and liking it. If a bluegill will tap at it, so will a bass. I'm gonna catch one. I feel it. Oh, I think I just blew my opportunity. I get the bluegill grabbing at it on every cast, I'm gonna catch a bass. There's no doubt. Persistence pays when it comes to fishing. Oh, and there we go, folks. Finally. Yes. Mission success, folks. May not be the biggest fish, but that makes me really happy because I just caught a bass, folks. Yes. Mission success. Mission success. Mission success. Wow, that fish is warm. Caught him on the little stinger hook. You could tell it's been a long weekend. This one's been hooked before too, and it happens to be hooked right where I hooked him. Wow, this fish could have got off so easily. Never have I been so happy to catch a 12, 13-inch bass. Woohoo! Mission success, folks. Nick the Piker just caught a bass. I told you persistence pays, and I'm glad I stuck with that lure because it worked. Thank you, little man. Thank you for giving me something that's worth fishing, something that's worth posting. Yeah, buddy. Let's get him. That's a good start. That's a good start. Let's see if there's more. Woohoo! All right. Let's do that again. This time, let's see if there's something bigger. I knew if I just got the opportunity to really fish this opening here, that it would happen. That was awesome. May not be the biggest fish, but oh, I just got another bite. It might be dinner bell time, folks. Maybe I could come up with a 4-pounder. But that fish means a lot to me. That was a hard grind for such a small bass. But at least it lets me know I'm doing something right. Ooh, I wonder if I need something brighter now. The sun's starting to go down. It's getting a little darker. Hey, salute to Quacky. Rip to Quacky. It sounded just like him. If I need a little more color. I still got bluegill following this, but I don't know. I feel like I should switch up for a second. Glad I didn't switch up. Got another one, folks. Yes, dude. Yes, that's a nicer one, too. That's a nicer one than the first one. Man, he's battling. He just doesn't want to go. Look at him go. He's swimming upstream. Not much bigger, but wow, man, he was just... Oh, look at this. Mr. Blue Heron, don't steal my fish. Don't steal my fish. Don't steal my fish. He's trying. Wow. That was awesome. That's a nice fish. Definitely bigger than the first one. Yeah. That Blue Heron was trying to steal my fish. If I would have just stayed and let it sit, he would have ate my fish. I was tempted to let him, but I'm gonna let this guy live. Yes. Yes, folks. Yes. Awesome. That Blue Heron wanted dinner. Sorry, Mr. Heron. Catch your own fish. Man, what's going on with this guy? He is just beat up. But hey, I'll take it. Didn't really expect that, but I'll take it. It's becoming my line. Yes, folks. That's definitely a nicer one than the first one. Maybe the same length, but he's heavier. That just happened. That made my day, folks. Whew! Nothing like a Blue Heron trying to steal your epic catch of the day. Here we go. I'm gonna let him go. Sweet. Well, success, folks. Success. This new color lure works. I can tell you that. I can tell you that much. It works. Can't believe that blue heron just came right up. That was insane. That was insane. Never know what's gonna happen. Well, what an epic day today was. Had this blue heron that's over here try and steal my bass just now, and that was that's a first for me. I'm glad he wasn't successful. He was trying though. I've never been that close to one. He was literally 5-6 feet away from me. He didn't even care. He just wanted to eat my fish so bad. Sorry, Mr. Heron. Catch your own fish. Tells me you're struggling too. Maybe you need to change your tactics up. You never know what's going to happen in nature. But I can tell you this much, what a grind today was. But persistence prevailed today, because look at him go. He thinks I got another one. What are you doing, buddy? Alright, how about this? If I catch a bluegill, it's all yours, alright? It's all yours if I catch a bluegill. He's watching me now. He's like, I want to take his fish. That's his strat. Man, what a day. You never know what's going to happen. He's watching me like, get another one, guy. You're the only one out here that can catch a fish. Look at him. He's coming back. He's like, come on, dude. Catch one for me. That was crazy. You're a brave blue heron, buddy. I mean, look, you ain't trying to leave. You're trying to get closer to me. That was insane. Look, he's watching where I'm casting now. He's like, this time, if you hook one, I'm taking it. Insane. Absolutely insane. Well, this video proves that persistence pays off. It was cold and nasty out, but I stuck with it. Ended up catching a couple nice little fish. Had a blue heron try to steal my fish. Just shows how hard the fishing was today, where a blue heron was like, hey, give me that. But that was hilarious. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next one.